equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a Torx screwdriver. You'll also need a clean workspace and a soft cloth for any dust that may accumulate during the process. Start by unplugging your Dyson V10 from the power source. Safety first. Next, remove the dustbin by pressing the release button and pulling it away from the main body. This will give you better access to the motor area. Now, using your Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws located at the base of the vacuum. There are typically 4 screws that need to be taken out. Keep these screws in a safe place, as you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, gently pull apart the casing of the vacuum. Be cautious not to force it, as there are clips that may still be holding it together. If you encounter resistance, check for any screws you may have missed. With the casing open, you will see the motor assembly. Before proceeding, take a moment to clean any dust or debris inside the vacuum. A clean environment will help ensure the longevity of your new motor. Next, disconnect the motor from the wiring harness. This usually involves unclipping a connector. If you find this step challenging, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, and our team can assist you with this process. Now, remove the screws securing the motor in place. These are often Torx screws, so make sure you have the right tool. Once the screws are out, carefully lift the motor out of its housing. Take your new motor and place it into the housing, ensuring it fits snugly. Reattach the screws to secure it in place. After that, reconnect the wiring harness, making sure it clicks into place securely. Before reassembling the casing, it's a good idea to test the motor. Plug in your Dyson V10 and turn it on briefly to ensure everything is functioning correctly. If you're not comfortable doing this, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about transporting your vacuum. Once you've confirmed the motor is working, it's time to reassemble the casing. Align the clips and gently press the casing back together. Replace the screws at the base to secure everything in place. Finally, reattach the dustbin and give your Dyson V10 a thorough clean. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer a quote before repair, so you can make an informed decision about whether to tackle it yourself or let us handle it for you. And there you have it. You've successfully replaced the motor in your Dyson V10. Enjoy your revitalized vacuum cleaner. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.